As a commercial installer, we take over from the salesman when we get the new product in. We start by removing the existing door and then stacking 2 new doors. In this setting, we have a working environment with lots of cars moving and coming, so we have to be adaptable to the environment and let them continue their business. With a 2-man crew, we like to get at least 1 door done per half day. So generally 2 doors a day for a 2-man crew, depending on the install type. And the doors we're installing here today are the full view glass doors. It's a very common type of garage door for a mechanic shop. It shows off the interior of the shop and also lets in a lot of light. Maintenance on these doors is a little more frequent than your standard residential door with the amount of times it goes up and down in a day. We'd recommend that we come out at least twice a year to take a look at the door, lubricate everything, make sure that your door is in tip-top running shape and you don't run into issues moving forward. At Metro, we keep your doors running so you can keep your business running.